Hello, this is Mr. Huebner, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a profile diagram for your project. First off, I want to clarify one thing I forgot to state in my earlier video, and that's a scale, graphical scales bar. So what we have right here is 500 meters, 0, 500, 1,000. So each section of this bar is 500 meters here. Each bar is about 1 mile. And it's this amount of distance on your map is equivalent to 1 mile. So on your map, this is the one that I have right here, I am going to create a little scale. And let's do it with our straight edge. And if you do have a ruler, that would be ideal. I can't find mine. And each ledger, now this is quite a distance, so I'm going to, I logged off of the page that I was on, but I'm just going to do a guess and estimate that Estes Park is probably about 5 miles. No, it wouldn't be that much. No, I guess we zoomed up closer. Well, let's say it's 2 miles. So we got 2 miles, 4 miles, and 6 miles. So that would suggest that this distance is 6 miles. So if we go that entire distance here, it's about 6 miles from here to here. That's what that my notation is trying to represent. Okay, on with profile diagrams. So for profile diagrams, what we're going to be doing is we are going to be creating a path. So it looks like Pikes Peak is maybe somewhere over here. It's pretty tall. Where do we want to walk to? And it's going to be more interesting if we go more places. So let me take my cornflake box, and I'm going to go let's see. Let's say we're taking a road off the highway. There we go, that's my distance. This is point A, and right here is where I want to end up, point B. And I want to see what the terrain is going to look like for me. Alright, so what I need to do is get another sheet of paper, and I'm going to go across this. Here's my starting point, and I hit what was the mileage? It's 3,200 and it's by 500 interval. So that's 2,700. And this one is 2,200. Right, 2,200. Alright, and then I go here. So that's the 2,200 mark. And then right here is... And this is, okay, so, because I didn't start, let's start right here. Let's say that's A, okay. $2,200, and then this one would be 1,700. Starts off, okay. So it might be helpful to start on a contour. You don't have to cut it in half and all that stuff, because it's your map. You can create it however you want. Alright, so then this mark right here would be the 2,700. And then right here, oh, that's going up even further, 3,200. And then this one's going up another notch, which is 3,700. And then this is the same contour, it's 3700. And then we've got 3200, 2700, and there we end at, this one's like right in between the 27 and the 22, so we'll call it 2450. Okay, there's my straight edge right there. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to create a profile diagram. I can't do it on the back sheet because, you know, this was my scratch. You could do it on the back sheet if it's blank white sheet of paper. Otherwise, you're going to want to do it on a separate sheet. And you're going to be making a graph. All right. So I'm going to make my x-axis. Here's my x-axis. And I'm going to place, right here we're going to say is my y-axis. There we go. Let's do the y-axis. And our numbers are going from, if we look at it, we got 1700, 2200, 27, 32. So when we do it by intervals of 500, 35 would be 7. So here's 0. Here's 500, 1000, 1500, 2000. Alright, so here it is. I wrote it all out. And I'm going in increments of 500. I'm going to label this elevation in meters. Elevation in meters. All right. And this is my distance. And technically it would be in miles based off of that distance sheet, so I can just say miles. All right. So this first one right here was 1700. So I'm going to mark about 1700. All right. Then I had 2200 at this mark. And the next one was 2700. And then we had 3200. And then it was 3700. And this was 3700. And then this next one was 3200. And it looks like we're hitting Pikes Peak. 2700 is next. And then 2450 is where we ended. And then we're going to connect all the dots. But we want to be as curvy as possible. We don't want to be all angly and liney. And then we didn't hit the peak, but it would most likely be like that. And this is the profile diagram showing me my journey, what it would be like on the ground if I'm going from point A all the way to point B. Isn't it interesting? Show that again. So it looks like a slight increase, and then ooh, a big increase, and a big decrease. Yeah, looks like a slight increase, and then a bigger increase, and a decrease. I just love topographical maps. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you. If you have any questions, remember you can always contact me via email or Google Classroom. All right. Have a good one.